Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your spending habits with BB&T, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your spending habits with BB&T, first, log into your BB&T online banking account. Open your preferred web browser and enter the BB&T website URL. Click on the login button at the upper right corner of the page. Input your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Select the account you want to analyze for spending habits. Next, look for an option labeled Transactions or Activity. Click on it to access a detailed list of your recent transactions. You can filter your transactions by date, amount, or category. Examine the transactions to identify any patterns in your spending behavior. If available, utilize the Spending Insights feature to gain deeper analytics. This tool may provide visual representations of your expenses by category. Take note of areas where you spend the most and consider adjustments if needed. For a more comprehensive view, consider downloading your transaction history. You can usually find an option to export this data as a CSV or PDF file. Open the downloaded file in a spreadsheet program for further analysis. Review the data to evaluate your spending trends over time. Compare your spending against any set budgets you may have. If you want to set up alerts for your transactions, head back to the main dashboard. Locate the Account Services or Notifications section. Set your preferences for alerts based on spending limits or unusual transactions. Regularly check your spending habits using BB&T's tools for ongoing monitoring. Assess your findings and adjust your budget as necessary to maintain control over your finances. This approach helps you stay informed and make informed financial decisions. By consistently reviewing your transactions, you can identify opportunities to save or reallocate funds. Ultimately, using BB&T's online banking tools enables you to maintain better control over your financial well-being. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.